I was scrolling shorts and I saw this absolutely horrible lightsaber design with some idiot talking about it'd be the design they'd want and what the symbolism behind it was. But look at it. It's so terrible. It's horrible. What idiot? What was that thing? Oh, uh, I gotta remake this because. This was when I was worse at what am doing when I am at the now. It's not as good as I can do the nowings, because time and improvement. That was not English. uh, look, I'm trying to think of an intro for this and failing. It's midnight. It's almost 1 o'clock. Yeesh. Okay. Yeah, the brainworms took over with an idea and would not let me stop, and now I have to make an intro, and I have failed at that. So let's just get into making this, okay? Or remaking it. You know what I mean? We're remaking this old design because I'm better than I was then. You get the point of the video. Editor me, cut this already. Come on, go to me making it sped up with some music or something. Why are you not cutting away yet? How long are you going to keep this bit going?